Realme GT Master Edition full specifications. Suitcase design. Designed by Naoto Fukasawa. Exclusive street photography mode. Snapshot in stunning color. Exclusive street photography. Filters. Based on century-old classic films. Snapdragon 778G 5G processor. 6 nanometers advanced process. 120 Hz Samsung AMOLED. Full screen. 360 Hz touch sampling rate. 65 watts super dart charge. Charge to 100% in 33 minutes. 32 MP Sony selfie camera. AI beauty. Extra 5 GB virtual RAM. 256 GB large storage. Color. Voyager Gray. Daybreak Blue. Processor. Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G 5G processor. CPU, 6 nanometers process, 8 cores up to 2.4 GHz clock speed. GPU, Adreno 642 liters. RAM and amp, ROM. 8 GB plus 256 GB. 8 GB RAM. 128 GB, 256 GB ROM. Display. 16.33 cm Samsung Super AMOLED full screen. 120 Hz refresh rate. 2400 by 1080 FHD plus resolution. 120 Hz refresh rate. 360 Hz touch sampling rate. 91.7% screen to body ratio. 1000 nits peak brightness. 100% DCI-P3 wide color gamut. Charging and amp, battery. 65 watts super dart charge. 4300 mAh massive battery. Includes a 10V 6.5A charging adapter. USB Type-C port. 4200 mAh battery capacity. Camera. 64 MP street photography camera. Rear camera. 64 MP main camera. 25.3mm focal length. 6P lens. 8 MP ultra-wide angle camera. 15.8mm focal length. 5P lens. 2 MP macro lens. 4 cm focus distance. f2.4 aperture. Video recording. Support 4K 30fps 60fps video recording. Support 1080p 30fps, 60fps video recording. Support 720p 30fps, 60fps video recording. Photography function. 64MP mode, super nightscape, panoramic, expert, time-lapse, portrait mode, HDR, ultra-wide, ultra-macro, AI scene recognition, AI beauty, filter, super text, face distortion correction, tilt shift. Street, slow motion, starry mode. Selfie. 32MP Sony selfie camera. Photography function. Portrait mode, time-lapse, panoramic view, beauty mode, HDR, face recognition, filter, nightscape, bokeh effect control, face distortion correction. Video recording. Support 1080p 30fps video recording. Support 720p 30fps video recording. Cellular and amp, wireless. Next-gen 5G network. 5G. Frequency bands. 2G. 3G. 4G. 4G. 5G. Wireless. 4G 5G Wi-Fi. Dual Wi-Fi antenna. Bluetooth 5.2. NFC. Navigation. Audio. Super linear speakers. Dual mic. High-res audio. Size and amp, weight. Length, 159.2 mm. Width, 73.5 mm. Depth, 8.0 mm and Daybreak Blue. 8.7 mm. Weight 174 grams, 180 grams. Data provided by Realme Lab. Due to different measurement methods, the actual data may have a reasonable tolerance range. Buttons and amp, ports. 2 nano card slots. USB Type-C. Power button. Speaker. Dual microphones 1. Dual microphones 2. Volume up-down. Sensors. Magnetic induction sensor, light sensor, proximity sensor, gyrometer, acceleration sensor. Operating system. Realme. Based on Android 11. Packing list. Realme GT Master Edition. 65 watt super dart charger. USB Type-C cable. Protect case. SIM card tool. Screen protect film. Quick start guide.